Hi y'all! Hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're opening the last box that I'm going to get for a while. I may come back to it because I do love Adam and the stuff that they do, so it's hard for me to not get the Enchanted Crystal box. But I'm going to let it go for a little bit, and I decided to keep the Crystal Council box over this one. They're both about equal though, so I'll probably keep that one for a while and then go back to Enchanted Crystal. I really do appreciate Adam and all he's done, and so yeah, we'll get back to this box at some point, I'm sure. So Enchanted Crystal is a monthly subscription box. It runs $42 a month if you get it monthly, and then there are price breaks down to $39 a month if you do a 12-month subscription at a time. So all that information will be linked in the video description below. Experience the magic of crystals and minerals from around the world, curated by experts with a lifelong passion and fascination with crystal and mineral kingdoms. Enchanted Crystal Variety Box includes 4 to 6 crystals and mineral specimens, handcrafted cloth grid, and a bonus bag of gems. And he does have different levels. You can get even where there's one gem. So you can look at the different subscription levels there. So let's review last month what we got. And last month we got the crystal grid cloth that's always there. In the crystal bonus bag last month, we got the Picture Jasper and the Botswana Agate. Then we got a beautiful large raw chevron amethyst that I passed on in the giveaway that went to one of our subscribers, so let me know if you love it. Then we got the Durango Apatite, which was rare, the Patagonia Pink Amethyst, which was absolutely gorgeous, the Opalized Fluorite Tower, which was beautiful too, the Seaweed Jasper Tower, which was absolutely gorgeous as well, and is sitting on my little stand back there. You can't see it, but all of them are sitting there. It was an amazing box last month, and always a good job. So let's see what we have in this month's box. Boxes are always hard to open. When you open it, you've got your little bonus bag there, and your little newsletter. Then you've got your crystal grid cloth, and then the gems are wrapped in little bags on the bottom so that they stay all nice. So in our bonus bag this month, we got mini crystals or minerals, and it looks like we got matchstick quartz, hematoid quartz, and amethyst. Nice, those will be great for crystal gridding. So a nice little assortment there. That's perfect for crystal gridding. Those are beautiful. Okay, so I see one of the hematoid quartz. This one right here. Let me see it in there. Guess I could take it out of the bag, huh? And then the rest are the amethyst and the crystal points. Nice. Those are nice. Then we have our crystal grid cloth. They're always fun. And I'm going to have to get the box again because this is what I'm using for my giveaways, is his little grid cloths. So when I run out, guess I'll have to start getting this box again, because I do love getting those little grid cloths. I think that adds a lot to the box. So let's see what we have. First we have a Shaman Stone. Shaman Stone. Ooh. I've never had a Shaman Stone before.
So shaman stones are also known as boji stones, Navajo berries, or Hopi marbles. They are actually iron oxide and sandstone, and one of the places they can be found is the north rim of the Grand Canyon. They're thought to be 100 million years old, and they're common, but they're not easy to find because they're often on national park or forest land or Native American reservations. Now the shamans use these for healing and as talismans. Then they would leave the marbles out at night and their ancestors would play with them, and when they'd wake up in the morning, they would be moved. They help you to channel increased knowledge and to balance all chakras and help with inner balance and emotional balance. And next we have a Ulexite, or a TV rock, and it gets its name from putting it on top of text, and it amplifies or magnifies the text. It is actually sodium chloride borate mineral, and it activates the third eye. It enhances your inner visions, your imagination, and your creativity. It's a stone of intuition, allowing you to see the truth. It helps you to gain knowledge about your hidden self and is a mental enhancer and helps with decision making. And now we have an agate geode. Agates are so, oh, look how cute. So agates are known as a good luck stone, and they'll help to balance out your yin and yang energy, and then really just increase your overall energy completely as well. It helps to give us courage, dispel our fears, give us self-confidence and emotional strength emotionally. It enhances mental functions and can improve concentration, perception, and help us with analysis. And this is a Marcasite rare, and I had never heard of it before, so I had to actually look it up. So the information I'm giving you is from firemountaingems.com. So Marcasite has a metallic shine that's been valued by many civilizations. It comes from a Latin name, Marcasita, which comes from an Arabic word, which means firestone, because when it's struck with iron or flint, it will actually spark. It's said to be a gemstone for powerful meditation, and it aids in introspection and tends to resonate more strongly with higher, more spiritual chakras. According to many beliefs, Marcasite is a talisman associated with wisdom, courage, and expression, and the metaphysical properties also suggest that it inspires creativity when it comes to the arts and architecture. Says that it might help fight intellectual fatigue, making it a favorite of students studying for big tests. Nice. And now we have an Apache Tear, and I'm familiar with these being from Arizona. There's an Apache legend that says that around the 1870s, up near Superior, Arizona, which is close to where I live, that the Apaches were faced with a growing number outnumbered by the U.S. cavalry, and rather than go to their deaths, they rode their horses off the mountain. Apache tears are actually a subgroup of obsidian, so a lot of the obsidian qualities are also going to fit it. So they're an excellent aura cleansing stone, and they'll absorb negativity and protect the energy body from unwanted vibrations, entities, energies, those kinds of things. A Durango Calcite, so from Durango, Mexico. And calcite comes in all different colors, but this is beautiful and clear. That's gorgeous. Calcite helps us to deepen our intellect. It helps with memory, helps us to have great wisdom and increase our psychic abilities. It's great for spirituality, astral projection. You can channel with it, and it is a higher consciousness stone. And next we have a Que Sera tower, and I am so excited. Oh my gosh, Elena opened a crystal hall and it had a Que Sera in it, and I never heard of it before, and it was so beautiful. And look, the universe brought me one. Que Sera is from Brazil, and it has different types of stone, including quartz, calcite, kaolinite, iron oxides, magnetite, and a few other things. It's an excellent stone to help you when you're stressed and brings calmness and serenity. It's also known to affect on all different planes: physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and psychic planes. So beautiful. I love it.
So in this box, we got the Que Sera Stone Tower, the Apache Tear, the Shaman Stone, the Ulexite TV Rock, the Agate Geode, the Marcasite, and the Durango Calcite. And then in our bonus bag, we got the mini crystals of the 1 hematoid quartz. We got 4 amethyst, and then a bunch of matchstick quartz sticks. So 2 thumbs up for this box. I thought it was an amazing box. Don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our Holistic Healing channel. Write me a comment below and let me know that you've joined and tell me a little bit about you. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Remember to come back often to the channel where you can say, Karma's my friend. Bye, y'all.